the ghost in my boat. Okay, so we got a little bit of a lazy Sunday. Working on the Miata. Since we couldn't do anything Friday, we're gonna do the front brake pad. So yeah, we will get these wheels off. Unfortunately, I already jacked the car up without loosening the lug nuts. So what we're gonna have Dan do is
drink this Pepsi.
Drink this Pepsi next, and then go sit on the brake so I can loosen the lug nuts. You on that brake, bro?
Yeah, these seats are warm.
Seats are warm?
Ugh.
Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. We'll be keeping you updated on trying to do some daily content here and there. Just did a rally yesterday, about 250 miles around the Twin Cities. It's a lot of fun. Took an Audi RS5. Shout out to our homie Charlie for some spirited driving. Hoping to place top 5. It was our first rally experience, but it wasn't a race. The first thing for the brakes, the brake pads, is get this 14mm bolt off the top of the caliper. Make sure you're going the right way. Make sure you don't smash your hands on the suspension arm there. That 14mm bolt out, and then you should be able to just slide this down like so. Springs can come out. You can see the inside one is particularly shot, and that's what was giving the squeaking. This guy right here is sort of a low brake material warning thing. Let you know that they need to be replaced. The rotor doesn't look too bad, so I'm gonna leave it for now. I don't really experience any shakes or wobbles when I'm on the brakes. So the next thing before applying the new pads, you're gonna want to compress the piston. You can usually rent a tool from your local shop, but I kind of do it the old jerry-rig way and just use a C-clamp. Because the new pads are going to have a lot more material. You need to compensate for that material.
Do you compensate a lot?
I compensate a lot all the time.
Is that why you drive such a masculine vehicle?
Mm-hmm. Spray it down, inspect it. These look like everything is pretty kosher here. Not that I would frickin' know what the heck is bad it would look like, but you know, the rubber seal looks like it's intact. Alright, so you go all the way in. So I was reading online for most daily driving use and spirited road driving, you don't really need the fancy race car brakes, so I bought the Napa ceramics. It should hold up alright. Although it doesn't look like these have a little brake clip thing, but maybe I can transfer that over. I can transfer that over. Put it on the inside. So it looks like the side that wore the fastest was the inside pad. So I'm going to put that rub thing on there. Try to remember which way the slides were oriented. Again, just to showcase. Showcase the difference in pad wear. clips.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, now the one with the wear guard thing. And like super easy. Ow. I'm stupid. These brakes are stupid easy. It's crazy. One bolt, compress the piston with a C-clamp, and pull the old pads out, put new ones in. Pull the old clips out, put new ones in, you're done. Just gotta remember which way these clips are oriented. So that's an inside one, outside one. Or is this, that could be a bottom one, I guess. And we go fresh brakes, just like that.